Hi guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. This is Speed Maths Part 3, which includes square roots and cube roots. Yep. And I have already recorded Part 1 and Part 2, and this is the Part 3. So I would recommend you go and watch Part 1 and Part 2 first, and then watch Part 3. I mean, because it will give you the better understanding if you watch all these video in series. Yep. So square root is something which will help you while you come across the questions. And yep. So before we start solving square root, we have to understand this table, which is we have a number, we have a squares, and we have a unit digit, which is last digit. So 1 square is 1, unit digit is 1. 2 square is 4, unit digit is 4. 3 square is 9, unit digit is 9. 4 square is 16, but unit digit is 6. Likewise 5 square is 25, but unit digit is 5. 6 square is 36, unit digit is 6. 7 square is 49, unit digit is 9. 8 square is 64, unit digit is 4. 9 square is 81, unit digit is 1. And 10 square, again, I mean, it will, unit digit is 0 anyways. Yep. So if you see this table and if you see this unit digit, so 1 square give me unit digit 1, and there is another number which is 9 whose unit digit is 1. So 1 and 9 unit digit is same. Likewise, if you see 2 square is 4, unit digit is 4, and 8 square is 64, unit digit is 4. So in the case of 2 and the 8, unit digit will remain same, which is 4. In the case of 9, 3 square give me 9, unit digit will be 9. 7 square is 49 and unit digit will be 9. So in the case of 3 and 7, unit digit will be 9. Likewise 4 and 6, unit digit is 6 in both the cases, and 5 will remain the 5, and 0 is remain the 0. So what I am trying to say, whenever the unit digit is 1, you have to think of which numbers unit digit is 1. So the only number possible is 1 and 9. If 1 square give me 1, 9 square give me 81, and both unit digit will be 1. On the basis of this, I will solve the question. So suppose let's take one example. Suppose we have a number, let's say 729. I want to find out the square root of 729. Now you come to this table and see 9 is coming in the case of 3, yeah, and 9 is coming in the case of 7, which is 9. So from here I can say unit digit of this number will be either 3 or 7. Yep. Now you have to cancel these two digits and take the square root of this number. So 7 will come in between 4 and 9. Yes, but 9 is more than 7, that's why we can't take 9 as a number. Whose square, number 9 is the 3 square, so we can't take 3. If we do 2 square, which is 4, and which is perfectly fine because it is less than 7, so your answer would be 2 here. Because if you take 7, or else you can think like that, take the square root of 7, it will be 2 2s are 4, we know, but 3 3s is 9, which is more than 7, so 7 is not the number which we can take. So we got to know either answer is 27 or 23. If you find out the square of 729, you will get either this number and this number. To confirm which is your answer, what I will do, I will multiply this 2 by its successor. Successor is nothing but 3, which is 6. And now you will check this 7 by this 6. If this number 7 is greater than 6, in that case greater number will be your answer, which means in this case 27 is your answer. Had it been the number 5 in at the place of 7, then your answer would have been 23. But this case, here it is not so. So here answer is 27. Let's take one more example. Suppose you want to find out the square root of 676. So what you will do, you will see this, so 6 you will get either in the case of 4 or in the case of 6. If I go back to the table, 6 you will get it in the case of 4 and in the case of 6. So unit digit will be either 4 or 6. Now the problem is the tens digit, so just cancel this. Again you find out the square root of this number 6, which is nothing but 2. So 2 will come here. To get to know which is the answer, 24 or 26, just multiply 2 is by 6, which is nothing but 6. Now 6 which is equal to the number, so in that case your bigger number will be your answer. In that case bigger number is your answer, because 6 is equal to 6, and in that case bigger number will be your answer, not the 24. Yep. So basically steps, what are the steps basically? Let's take one more example, then I'll write down the steps. 3 3 6 4. If I want to find out the square root of this, so 4 we will get in the case of 2 or in the case of 8. If I'll go back to the table, 2 2s are 4 and 8 8s are 64, which is here. Yep. Now so I'll cancel these two number. Now I will find out the square root of this 33. So 5 5 is 25, but 6 6 is 36. So 33 won't be your answer. Or if you're not understanding in that way, this way, then do one thing. 33 comes between 25 and 36. 36 is more than 33 and 25 is less, which is perfectly fine. That's why I'll take 5 as your tens place digit. Now to get to know which is your answer, multiply 5 by successor, which is 30. 5 6 is 30. If this number is greater than 30, so greater number will be your answer, which is 58 has to be your answer. I hope the funda is clear, guys. Okay, let's take some more example, and I'll write down the step also. Let me make the space. Yeah. So we are following 3 steps. First is find unit digit first. Second, find tens digit. Third, compare number by the multiplier, you can say. I mean to say, if the number is 9409, what you will do? So 3 comes in the case of 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 9. You will cancel this number, which is the first step. You need to find a unit digit, which is here. Now the tens, you will take the square root of this number. Find the tens digit, take the square root. So if you do 8 8 is 64, 9 9 is 81, 10 10 is 100. So 9 has to be your answer here. Now you will multiply this 9 by its successor, which is 90. So compare number by its multiplier, you can say, or the number which you multiply. So 90 is 94 is greater than 90. So in that case 97 will be your answer. Let's take one more example. 11881. If I want to find out square root of this, so at 1 will come and 9 9 is 81. 9 will come. You will cancel this 2 digit. Now find out the square root of this number. 110 square is 100. 11 is 121, which won't be feasible. So which means 10 square is 100 and 11 square is 121. So it has to be 10. Now in this case this is 3 digit. Now you will multiply 10 it by another number, which is 110, and this 118 is greater than this 1110. So has to greater number will be your answer, 109. Let's take last example. Suppose that you want to find out the square of 48841. Again the same funda. Unit place 1, so 1 and 9 can come, 2 cancel. 488 square root is 488. So which is which should be 22 square is 484, which has to be 22. Yes, 22, because 21 is 441, 22 is 484, 22 is 529. Yeah, so you will multiply 22 by its successor 23. 22 3 ja is 66, 6 is your carry. 22 3 ja is again 66 plus 6, so which will be, this number is lesser, so basically lesser number will be your answer. 221 will be your answer. I hope the funda is clear, guys. So this is what the square root, which you can find out within 3 seconds. So first second you will invest to find out the unit digit, second you will invest to find out the tens digit, and third second you will invest to compare the and give the final answer. Yep. Now come to the cube root. So before we start solving the cube root, we have to understand this table first. One sorry, 1 cube is 1, unit digit is 1. 2 cube is 8, unit digit is 8. 3 cube is 27, unit digit is 7. 4 cube is 64, unit digit is 4. 5 cube is 125, unit digit is 5. 6 cube is 216, unit digit is 6. 7 cube is 343, unit digit is 3. 8 cube is 512, unit digit is 2. 9 cube is 729, and unit digit is 9. 0 will remain the same in throughout the number. Okay, so if you see, so there is a same number pattern, you can say, because if you find out the cube root of 1, you will get 1. If you find out cube of 4, you will get unit digit as 4. If you find out the cube of 5, you will get unit digit as 5. Likewise 6, and likewise 9 also. So same number pattern, I mean to say, if you find out the number cube of that number, you will get the same number. And next is a reverse number, I mean to say, if you will find out 3 cube, if you find out a 2 cube, you will get 8, and if you will find out 8 cube, you will get 2. So this get reverse, 2 and 8. Likewise in the case of 3, if you do 3 cube, you will get 7. If you do 7 cube, you will get 3. So in the case of 3 and 7, it get reverse. So this is what the thing which we need to remember before we solve the cube root question. Let's take some example. Suppose you want to find out the cube root of 1728. Now in this case, what you will do, in the case of 8, 2 was your answer. If I go back, so if 8 is there, then 2 has to be at the unit place. Now you will cancel 3 digit and you will take cube root of this 1, which is nothing but 1. So 12 is your answer. I'll repeat what I have done. At unit place, 8 is the number. So 2 will come because it get reverse. If the unit place is 8, so 2 will come. If unit place is 2, then 8 will come. And take a cube root of 1, which is 1. So 12 is your answer. Take some more example. Let 13824, let's say. Now in this case, 4 will be same. If you find out the 4 cube, you will get 64. So 4 will remain here. You will cancel these 3 number now. In the case of square, we will cancelling last 2 digit. In the case of cube, we will cancel last 3 digit. Now take the cube root of this. This is nothing but 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 3 3 ja. Okay, so this has to be 2. If you don't understand this, what you can say, 13 is coming between 8 and 27, but 27 is very high, and 8 is very, ace is less, which is perfectly fine. So that's why I'll take number as 2. So your answer has to be 24 for this cube root. If I want to find out the cube root of, let's say, 21952, so what you can do, now here 2 is there, so 8 will come because it is reverse. This is reverse. Now I'll cancel last 3 digit and I'll take cube root of this number, which is nothing but 2 again. So the answer is 28. I hope the funda is clear, because 21 come between 8 and 27, but 27 is greater than 21, which is not fine. So that's why we will take 8. 8 is your cube, but a number is 2, so 2 will come. Yep. Take some more example. 3 2 7 6 8. Yep. Let's say this number. Yeah. So again the funda 8 is there, then 2 will come, and then you will cancel last 3 digit. 3 3s are now 3 will come here. 3 3, because cube root of 32 is nothing but 3, because 4 is 64, so 32 is your answer. So very easy, guys. Within 2 to 3 seconds you can solve this kind of question. Okay, let's take one more example, which is little bigger number. 103 823. Okay, fine. So now in this case 3 is there. In the case of 3, your answer has unit digit 7 will come. So 7 will come here, and I'll cancel these 3 digit. Now you will find out the cube root of this number 103. If I say 4 4 ja 64, 5 5 ja 125, 5 into 5 into 5 do 120. So 4 has to be the answer. So if you do 40, because 5 cube, because 103 is coming between these two number, and 25 is greater than 103, so this obviously can't come, so 4 has to be there. So for this 47 has to be your answer. I hope the guys funda is clear for the square root and cube root. So whenever you come across the question which is based on square root and cube root, I'm pretty much confident you will able to solve the questions, and within 2 to 3 seconds. Yep. Yeah, so those who wanted to join us for the classroom program, they can call on this number. Yep. And do visit our Facebook page, because every day you will get new updatation regarding the notification of the exams, cutoff pattern, and the new vocab based question, logical based question you will get on Facebook. So do visit our Facebook page, and this is the link for the Facebook page. For new videos, do subscribe our channel, which is the Manoeuvre, and link is here. You can directly go to the link through the link also. And for the courses, you can visit our website, which is www.manoeuvreedu.com. So here is the double E, don't forget that. Yep. Thank you.